Ever wondered why certain objects glow in the dark? Today we're diving into the illuminating science of glow, a captivating realm that blends chemistry, physics, and a dash of magic. We'll delve into the mesmerizing world of luminescence, revealing the secrets behind the glow we often take for granted. And what's more, we'll be rolling up our sleeves and getting hands-on with a do-it-yourself glow-in-the-dark experiment. So, if you're ready to light up your understanding, stay tuned to unravel the mystery behind this fascinating phenomenon. So, what makes these objects glow in the dark? This is the question we often find ourselves asking when we encounter anything that glows mysteriously when the lights are turned off. Well, it's all about phosphorescence, a type of luminescence or light emission that occurs when certain substances absorb energy from light or other sources and then slowly release that energy as light over time. Picture this. You're at a concert and everyone's waving glow sticks. Those glow sticks are filled with a substance that, when mixed together, absorb energy and then release it as light. This process is a chemical reaction known as chemiluminescence, a specific type of phosphorescence. But let's take a step back and understand luminescence. Luminescence is the emission of light by a substance that has not been heated, quite unlike incandescence, where light is produced as a result of being heated. Our sun, for instance, produces light through incandescence, but our glow-in-the-dark objects, they're all about luminescence, specifically phosphorescence. Phosphorescent materials work like tiny energy-storing batteries. When they're exposed to light, they soak up energy. This causes the electrons in the material to jump to a higher energy level, but they don't stay there. Instead, they slowly fall back down to their original energy level, releasing the stored energy as light in the process. This slow release of light is what gives phosphorescent materials their glow-in-the-dark quality. Once the lights go out, these materials continue to emit light, creating that eerie, otherworldly glow that we find so captivating. In essence, glow-in-the-dark objects are simply playing with the science of energy absorption and release, but it's this very science that makes these objects not only visually appealing but also a source of endless fascination. So now that we've understood the science, why don't we put it into practice? Let's dive into making our own glow-in-the-dark project and illuminate our curiosity with the magic of phosphorescence. Are you ready to create your own glow-in-the-dark masterpiece? Fantastic, let's gather our materials. First, we'll need some glow-in-the-dark paint. You can find this at most craft stores or online. It comes in a variety of colors, so pick your favorite. Next up, we need a canvas. This could be a plain piece of paper, a poster board, or even an old t-shirt. The choice is yours. Don't forget brushes for applying the paint. A set of different sizes can give you more control over your design. We'll also need a dark room or space to see our creation glow. This could be a closet, a bathroom, or even your backyard at night. Finally, we need a source of light to charge the glow-in-the-dark paint. Any household lamp will do, but a UV light will make the effect even stronger. Now that we have all our materials ready, it's time to start creating. Follow along as we create a glowing spectacle. It's time to roll up those sleeves and dive into the radiant world of phosphorescence. Step 1, let's kick things off by preparing our workspace. Make sure you have a clean, clutter-free area, and don't forget to lay down a protective layer like newspaper or a drop cloth. This will help with easy cleanup and avoid any unwanted luminescent splatters. Next, we move on to step 2. Our glow-in-the-dark paint. You can either purchase ready-made paint or make your own by mixing glow-in-the-dark powder with clear paint. It's important to stir the mixture well to evenly distribute the luminescent particles. Remember, the more powder you use, the stronger your glow will be. Step 3 is all about application. Using a paintbrush, apply an even layer of your glow-in-the-dark paint to your chosen item. You can paint a whole object for an all-over glow, or create intricate designs for a more artistic effect. Be patient and take your time. It might be a bit tricky at first, but practice makes perfect. Once you've finished painting, allow your creation to dry. This is step 4, and it's crucial. Rushing this process may result in smudging or uneven glowing. Depending on the thickness of your paint, this could take anywhere from a few hours to a full day. So have patience, grab a cup of tea, and let science do its thing. Now we've reached step 5, charging our glow. Once the paint is completely dry, you need to charge it with a light source. This can be anything from a lamp to direct sunlight. The longer you charge it, the longer and brighter your glow will be. Finally, step 6, the big reveal. Switch off the lights and watch as your ordinary object transforms into a radiant masterpiece. Let me tell you, there's something truly magical about seeing your creation glow for the first time. Whether it's a painted jar twinkling like a cluster of stars, or a t-shirt with a glowing design, the possibilities are endless. Throughout this process, it's important to remember that safety comes first. Always use non-toxic, safe-to-handle materials, especially when children are involved in the project. And remember, the best part about DIY projects is not just the end result, but the journey of creating something with your own two hands. And voila! You've just created your own glow-in-the-dark science project. You've not only learned about the fascinating science behind phosphorescence, but you've also brought it to life with your own touch of creativity. Now that's what I call illuminating curiosity. Look at what we've achieved today. We've not only illuminated our curiosity, but also created some fantastic glow-in-the-dark marvels. We started by diving into the fascinating world of luminescence, understanding that it's not magic but science that makes things glow in the dark. We then took this knowledge and applied it to our do-it-yourself project. We began by gathering our materials, which included glow-in-the-dark paint and a variety of objects to experiment with. We highlighted the importance of choosing the right paint, one that is non-toxic and safe for all to use. Next, we moved on to the execution. We painted our objects, let them dry, and then, the most exciting part, we turned off the lights. The result was nothing short of magical. Our ordinary objects transformed into glowing wonders, proving that with a bit of creativity and understanding of science, we can truly make magic happen. But our journey doesn't end here. We encourage you to take this experiment further. Try different objects, different designs. Experiment with various light sources. The possibilities are limitless when you let your curiosity guide you. Remember, science is all around us, even in the dark. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep glowing. Before we sign off for the day, we want to extend a big thank you for joining us on this glowing adventure. If you've enjoyed illuminating your curiosity today, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more science-based DIY projects that will keep you captivated. So, join us again as we continue to explore the fascinating world of science. Until next time, keep your curiosity alight and your creativity glowing.